This lady say her husband they threaten her with divorce, and waiting be the issue. The issue is her husband say in don't tire the way her boss go they call her for different times, talking to her to respond to emails. To respond to mails where they say they don't send for some official mails. He says sometimes they book meeting at odd times and they do Zoom meeting with other people. So my question is that, are you the only one doing this meeting? She said no. Are you the only one that your boss does this thing to? No. So her issue now is that her husband, they insist say, is either she leave the work or they divorce. Why? Because the way her oga, they always call her. They tell her to respond to emails or to organize for meetings and all that, some official work, say in no like her. In fact, quit the work, because if you no quit the work, it go affect our marriage, because I go ask for divorce. How do you even cope with a partner where go tell you to quit your career, leave your career because of something when they make them happy? Where do we draw the line here? Where do we understand each other? Where we go begin to get conversation? Where we go begin to say no match here, no touch here? Where the feelings go come in and where the feelings not supposed to come in? Lagos chook mouth.
Just a village says woman to work now. Now wahala for men. Yes. Maybe you lay her. Maybe no other colleagues then they call them. The monitor is too much. Let the woman leave the marriage a bit.
Even if that man now put up a business for that woman,
yes,
he not go still like the way where customers they take call him.
Oh.
Even if he carry that woman put for house, to be a housewife, he not go see like how in the stay for house at the odd time. Suspicious don't they?
I don't think
so,
that side.
Me and you supposed to be one. Not say I go to do the other way around.
It's good when we look one side, we look the other side too. I go put myself for that man's shoe, because me I don't marry before and I don't reach to marry. She gets. I will put myself for the man's shoe. They say there's time for everything. All right. In this case, time to work and time to be a family person, man or woman, mother or father. That word alone, mother or father. In this case, if your God they call you when you suppose they house, they nurture our children, they take your family business. I feel like your boss, they
Kenny,
out of line.
You see as the thing they had you.
And many boss, but we can agree. Many bosses they use them, they oppress their employees. Basically, they transfer your fears to me. I don't do work. I don't do the one where I want to do. That 8 hours where I give you no do. I know keep myself. Even if you give me another 10 hours, maybe I still go accomplish what you desire, because your boss is meant to always demand more and more and more from you, whether married or single. Now you go know how your work take affect your family. Maybe me as a husband, it seems like I'm complaining, but anti-church, if your work is too important to your husband, if your work is more important than your husband and your kid, check am. I hear person to say, even if I open business for you, I no go like as customer they call. No, that one say you go feel regulate how your customer they call you when your customer they call you, depending on the kind of business. Business day for single people, business day for married people. This thing now make we enjoy am, no be make we dey suffer am. No be when after 9 p.m. me and you supposed to do 1 or 2 child's play before we sleep. You dey on phone with your oga for the past 30 minutes, for the past 1 hour. Check am now. Even if na business where you get, you fit off your phone. You get hours where people no fit reach you. You listen na family time. This thing na me find balance.
So if they call you for Zoom meeting, you no go show up. Do you know? I tell you now, soon I go make me one. I go talk to one. I no want talk. Person they carry laptop enter kitchen now, because he want either point 1 or 2 things, and then multitasking. Now hobby be that. Person they Zoom meeting mute in one side because he get other things where they attend to. You go prioritize now. All this thing where we they talk. What be okay? You are even using let's say even if we use a broad kind of style in working. Now Nigerian bank or media space, you want to use that one compare. You get some places where we say now only when you dey work, now they go call you for anything work. Once you leave, they won't call you. Then you get some offices once you anywhere where you dey, If you like, they be sleeping 1 a.m. You go respond to some official talks. You get some bosses don't know they even sleep. You dey whine. Choose where you want work and where you don't want work. I know they use your marriage to disturb person. But this is a conversation between partners. It could have even be your own office. It could even be you as the CEO of the place or the MD of that place. It could be your own company. It could be you setting up these meetings. It could be you making these calls too. It could be anybody. Why do we misunderstand ourselves so much? You don't reach for us to talk dowry. That means you're not even ready to be in the marriage now. People can't do their job. People can't live their career or live their dream because they are married. And we're talking dowry. You reach like that. Then if you can jump to divorce, that means you don't even get conversation with your partner. Say, okay, let's talk about it. Is her career, not your career. Probably they do the career before she meets you. So that conversation must be had. We go get conversation now. Oh, no, they work like this now. Say family time, this, that time, because it's not you running the company. Nobody saw when Nigeria they run person like say they cut grass for field. But I'll go get meeting anytime. Or you choose not to work for the company. They don't even get emergency meeting. If you even fix that meeting, your boss not go show up for the meeting because they run another meeting and then you end up you say, okay, this time now why people they prioritize? Or you send an early mail, oh, I cannot attend so meeting because of so and thing. And I don't believe anybody they wicked to fight you. Even some companies they fight. You get some companies where be say if you get plans to marry anytime soon, they're not going to employ you. If you get children, they're not going to employ you. Why do you think we're trying to shatter the glass ceiling? You prioritize. If you know you want to do marriage with this thing together, you do them. Some of us get plenty children where would they take care of? Not one, not two, not three. Are we not showing up for meetings? Are we not doing this thing? We thank God for the help where we get for our life. But you know, can't do them like say, now only you matter in the matter. Somebody has a career. Somebody has a life. Has a life. Marriage, after taking care of the children go school, finish, grow, come on. Then what happens? Oh, I'm going to have that conversation very soon on why so many women are suffering these days. Why so many women are living in regret these days. Oh, I've met a lot of them. We go tell me, Cheche, if I had known. So thing I wouldn't have done it 10 years ago. Oh, Cheche, if I had known 15 years ago, I wouldn't have taken this step. Oh, Cheche, if I had known, I wouldn't have left that work at that time. Met a lot. We need to begin to look out for our partners. Some of us, the partners not happy at all. Once they see you like this, their mind don't change. Why? They think of decision where you make them take. It's marriage, not be we love and pass or do and pass the person where we dey now.
If you don't want your wife to work for anybody or from the onset, discuss it. If she's not willing to work, marry. If she's willing to work, leave her. I know of a billionaire, my client. She would tell me she's her husband 12 midnight. If clients call her for 1 million, she will stand up and go and
God bless your heart.
For this Lagos.
God bless your heart. They tell me they do marriage like say,
Man is a two-way thing. They don't teach us well. We need to unlearn, like you always say. We did always focus on our parents' time. That time no be now. Oh.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, madam. Well done. Like what we are talking of, me, I believe that man is trying to protect his investments.
He's trying to protect his
investments.
Which investments be that?
The woman is his investment now. Yes.
Interesting.
Yes, because you know what? Women, sometimes, I'm married for like 14 years now. I'm still with my wife.
Your investment, you mean?
Yes, I'm from Delta State.
All right.
And my wife is from Nasarawa.
Okay.
My name is Chooks.
Okay.
So, but what I'm trying to say is that if you go out there with that is men, you can see some women that are married doing some kind of things that you don't understand. And when you married a fine lady, whereby you not that you did not trust her, but because being that woman, that when you go out there, you see the way they behave.
Okay, make I ask a question now. So, because of the way all those women where you mentioned now they behave, so I decide now, say I want marry, I can't marry. I can't use because of the behavior of other women where I know, use them, they treat my own partner. Because to me, my partner is like that. So if your partner they like that or go feel behave like that, why did you get married?
Yeah, actually, not that. You just be looking at, because one thing again, let me just say one thing again, is you marrying a beautiful girl.
Everyone is beautiful, depending on how you look the person.
How you see
yes, not be only you marry beautiful wife. Beautiful yakpa everywhere.
I know. According to Lucky Dube, he said, beautiful woman is another man's making. Do you understand?
My question is, will you use wetin girls they do outside? Use them they judge your partner to the extent you no go let your partner breed, because to you, your partner go there wayward, and because of that, she has to quit her job. It's a question I'm asking.
Yeah, I'll still come on this area. It depends on where
we
you
don't
meet
get
her.
too much time. So many people there on the call.
It depends on where you meet her.
So when you meet her for bad place, why did you marry her?
Maybe you decide you want to settle down and you love her.
Jeez, me with this conversation. Headache, they worry me. But
Yes.
So you not trust your wife, but you are married and you call her your wife. And every day you the police her.
You need to protect your investment too.
Which investment are we even talking about?
Men are too strong. I'm telling you.
Hey, we need to reset ourselves. No, there's nothing to understand. You know what be the problem here? The mindset is very wrong.
Yes.
Yes. So I'm glad you understand the mindset is wrong. So this thing what they do to the woman they do am to the man?
He may not.
Why? The man is a saint. The man doesn't commit anything, or the man is out to commit.
The man actually is not allowed.
And so,
because once you are married, committed to your wife.
Okay, so if you are committed and your wife is committed to you, why are you now worried that your wife go there around? To the extent where you tell her to quit her job, her career.
Sometimes something may lead to that up.
So if something leads to them, is it not supposed to be conversation? You know, go be conversation between you and the wife. Is it something where you go talk out of authority, make she quit that job?
Yes, when you have told your wife that what you are seeing, you doesn't like it. Some women are stubborn. Not all, but some are stubborn.
And so, I want to ask something.
Your boss always come and drop you.
No, don't miss the conversation. This is not dropping. I'm talking about sending.
I understand. Quitting of the job.
Yes, because they always ask her, may she send emails, or may she respond to emails, or may she come meeting on Zoom. Why?
Okay.
Why she go need to quit the job? Because you know they okay with all these things. How about now you they do these things? Will she be okay with them?
But to me, if the man is capable to establish something for her, it's something that
why they always talk about establish something? Is it every women that want to do business?
My dear, some women, you trust yourself. But I'm telling you, women
don't make this marriage they fear person.
See,
this marriage.
Madam, women, we are outside. We knows what we are seeing.
Una knows what una they see. Wow.
Forget women. Some women forget what you are talking of.
Tell me now. Tell me all these things what una they see with some women. Tell me.
Yes. Some women, not all.
Wetin be all these things what una they see about some women? Tell me.
Yes. What we are seeing is that some women they are very guys. I don't know how to explain it. Do you understand?
Hey, my listeners they vex for me. My listeners don't they vex for me. They say they leave you, they talk skin.
Okay,
say I just leave you. But I appreciate you, okay? I appreciate you. Thank you. Yeah. Today I can't work, I jammed them. Let the woman quit the marriage, because if she stay at home, the husband self will suspect her. He go suspect her with neighbor, Abi. He go say that landlord way pass now. Why he greet him? As he greet him now. Even to go market go be problem, right? Wahala. This is how we're going to do these things. Make that woman no grill. Make that woman no leave her work. Oh. As long as she's not doing rubbish in her place of work, she should never leave her work. The man is cheating, so he thinks that she's doing the same. He wants to disempower her. This is Linda talking. Tanko, I see you also. Hi, Church Smith. Hi, darling. He said, which kind of marriage? Wala. Good day again. Marriage so important than her job. She should tell her husband to give her good money so she can start business. Then her husband should notify her customers are selling. Please, she should just leave that marriage because her husband no trust gets trust issue. Love without trust is bad. Meg, thank you. I tried to read your messages. Chacha, this issue should have been discussed before marriage. The man is insecure and insecurity isn't healthy for a relationship. Is she going to resign and sit at home? The man should get her another job before she resigns then. Another job will cause trouble. Let him at the marriage. If the boss is calling me for another thing where no be work, I will understand that. Even if your guy they call you for anything where no be work, let's start talking about these things. Even if your oga they chike you, so I should leave work for him. I not go talk no move on. Wetin can consign me? Except say he tell me say, oh, I not go do my work. Oh, say it go affect my work. I go kuku leave the work for him now. You know, my husband don't need to advise me to leave the work if I'm threatened by my boss. I know this life, when I make it be so difficult. So if you move from this work now, enter another one. That other organ no go check. And since now only I she carry signpost for face. Now only I they see check for office. So I no go there my house now. Respond to email where PM send make I respond because I don't marry. Una make this marriage. It can't be like say now Holy Spirit to work with they do. So good afternoon, church. I beg it's not good for the boss to call somebody's wife after work, Joe. How they call it? Wow. You know what in this thing show me say? Some of them they send these messages. Una no day for professional field. Una no day professional field. And none of them are going even days in the media space because I don't understand what you guys are saying. They do me for ear somehow. I mean, I want to go wake up for me. I remember say get one mail where I never respond to. You not go respond to them because you are married. Hey, God, church. Conversation not tire apart for you. So this marriage cut you off from normal things where they happen in life. You can no longer function because you are married. How could I begin to advise me or make I hear? My sister, the same thing happens today. My wife, she's in medical science laboratory today. Tomorrow, she said today seminar, tomorrow seminar. I talked to her several times, even in the middle of the night. They will call her to come to the office. I get tired. If you're married to a doctor, what will happen? You know, no say she be a medical science person before you marry her. And I go try to avoid all these kind of people since you know, say, you know, like that kind of thing. All right? You cannot even marry to a police officer now. Because now when they go call and say emergency day, you go tell and say, we are in a marriage together. Nothing is wrong in any... Okay, this is not the conversation. Chair, please tell that woman not to quit her job, or instead let her quit the marriage. If she's not doing anything now, the man will be the first to call her lazy. No message you I never see here today. You guys. Chair, turn to Chair Lee. I rest my case. Okay. Hi, Chair. What's up here? The lady might be good at job, which is nice, but what if the lady might have done something similar that will lead to what is happening right now? Please, let's be realistic. And we are 100%. And why are they asking our questions? So does this marriage make things difficult for people? Chair, there's no two ways about it. The woman should just leave the marriage. The man does not even have a woman in mind. They want to pull her down. Wow. Chair, what kind of nonsense thing is this? I should quit my job because of what? Why is marriage this difficult these days, my darling? Because we are humans in it.
Chook out. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.